Hi everybody, good morning. Today we are going to learn the last supplementary. We have completed before the 6 supplementary, 6 or 7. So this is the last. So we have completed the supplementary part fully. Already we have completed the poem. Prose also only one prose pending. Supplementary over. Okay. So study well and get good marks in English. Try to get more marks. You must write more points. Points are not enough. Because of that only last year students also lost some marks. So please give more points in 8 mark questions. 8 mark question very important. If for 8 mark question you want to write more points. If they are asking 100 to 150 words, you can write more than 200 words also, no problem. But points are necessary. You don't want to leave any points. Okay. So at first we can learn the last supplementary, the making of a scientist. Yes, this is one of the motivational story. What is that? This is one of the motivational story. There is a boy, but at first he is not interested in anything, but his mother made him interested in all. When he was studying 3rd standard, his father was died, full controlled by mother after that. So she helped more for her son's development. What is that? Son's development after the 3rd grade, 3rd standard, after the 3rd standard. Okay, well, yes, so in this lesson, how he became a scientist? Who made him scientist? Yes, first answer is his mother only made him scientist. Yes, because she made enthusiasm, interest in collecting some butterflies and some other things. Okay, so he collected butterflies and doing more researches. Then he became a scientist. Okay, first, Albright's achievement in young age. At the age of 22. What is that? At the age of 22 years. Okay, well, yes, he find one thing. What is that? How cells work, body cells. Okay, how the cells were working. Yes, he found. What is that? At the age of 22, this is the first achievement for Albright. Okay, what is that? What is his name? Albright. Okay, short name. So, at the age of 22, he got achievement. He made an achievement. Yes. So, proceeding of the national, yes, bad in the science club. Okay, well, proceeding of the National Academy of Science. Okay, well, yes, for which research he done the achievement? In which research? He did the achievement in collection of butterflies. What is that? Collection of butterflies. Okay, the next Albright as a child. First time when he was a child, for his parent only one child. What is that? For his parent only one child. Yes, he was born in Pennsylvania. What is that? Pennsylvania. Yes, he is not playing football, basketball, baseball, anything. Okay, he is not interested in playing. So Albright. He is not interested in playing. At the same time, he was interested in collection of things. What is that? Interested collection of things, lot of things. Collection of butterflies, collection of coins, collection of soil, collection of rocks. Okay, so he was very interested in it. So, as a collection of the things, what are the things collected by Albright? What are the things collected by Albright? He started a collection of butterflies. At first, he started a collection of butterflies around his house, home, or villages. Okay, collection of butterflies, and the next week he collected rocks, coins, and the fossils. So not only this, apart from this, he collected more things. So he wanted to become an astronomer also, astrologer. Okay, he want to become an astrologer also. Why? Because yes, his mother encouraged him. To collect all the things. Yes, she made a lot of trips. Okay, tour. Yes. So on the time he was watching lot of butterflies, insects, and some other tourist places, and then he was not only that. On the time his mother bought telescope. What is that? Telescope, microscope, camera, and what are the things he needed? Everything bought and given by his mother. So these things were very useful to who? Albright. Okay, these things are very useful to Albright. Albright and his mother. Yes. Both they are in friendly manner. What is that? Albright, mother. Okay, Albright and his mother friendly. Always his mother is telling, you must treat me like a friend. I am your friend, not your mother. I am your friend. Yes, bring us. At the same time, she called. What is that? Albright mother called Albright school friends to home. Yes, because of that, he can develop something. He can develop speaking because he is not talking more, very silent. So, because of this incident, he can develop some knowledge of Albright. Okay, friends. At the same time, I told as Albright's father died at the when he was studying 3rd standard. After that, full and full, he was living with the help of mother, not father, with the help of mother. Okay, and the next Albright collection. Albright collection. What he was collected? What he was collected? Mother finds collection is mother find work. Sometimes Albright also lazy, not doing some work, but his mother active because she want to improve her child. So mother find work. Yes, some work. Always the mother is giving some work to Albright. So why? Because he want to learn something. He want to learn something. Because of that, he can develop his knowledge. In school also, what that? In school also, he was one of the topper. First rank, second rank. Okay, the topper list. So 25. In the hometown, because of this, in the hometown, the villager, nearby the villages, he collected 25 kinds of butterflies, 25 species of butterflies. Okay, and then next Albright gets a book. Yes. Apart from this, his mother want to develop her son's knowledge. For that, the mother is giving. Okay, buy and give a book. Yeah, this book only very important to change him become a scientist. So guys, mother, the book name was The Travel of Monarch 10. The Travel of Monarch 10th Monarch. Okay, yeah, the book is telling about how the monarch butterflies migrate one place to another place, especially from Central America. Okay, says next in the last page of the book, what is the last page of the book? They have given some things. What is that? It is helpful to reader how to research and how to develop this everything. Okay, yes, tagging on butterfly. Tagging on butterfly. End of the book help the readers. Yes, there is one doctor. What is that? There is one Dr. Frederick. What is that? There is one Dr. Frederick. Yes, he was written something. If you are finding any butterflies, you can send. In the book, he has written. So, Toronto University, where he was working? Toronto University, understand that. Yes, Urdugal. Okay, Frederick Urdugal. That's the same name. Frederick Urdugal. Same name. Okay, yes. So finally, he want to collect some butterfly. Who want to? Albright want to collect. He is going to catch a butterfly. Can he catch a butterflies? Yes, we can catch only 1 or 2, not more. What is that? Not more. So he planned to capture one female butterfly and some other male butterfly. Okay, finally he collected the eggs. And then he collected the eggs from female butterfly and rearing, growing the egg became butterflies and sent to the doctor. Sent to the doctor and this one is help him to do the research. Help him to do the research.
The next topic is the loses interest. Albright loses interest in his collecting of butterfly, tagging of butterfly. Why? Because he had achieved more, but no one appreciated him. The reason was that there was no feedback. No one gave feedback. It is good or bad. No one say about his invention. So only 2 butterflies had caught. At the next reason for losses interest, he was living in a particular place in 75 miles, around 75 miles. There are no other kinds of butterflies, and he caught only 2 butterflies. What is that? Only 2 butterflies he had been caught. Because of that also, he lost his interest. Decided to do real experiment. In the 7th grade, Albright got a hint of what real science is. Or that, yes, 7th standard. When he was studying 7th standard, Albright got hint, an idea. He entered because on the time only he entered one science exhibition, science fair, but he was not winning the science fair. In this time he was not winning the science fair because all the people, those are winning, they have kept the real things, but he entered the country science fair and lost. His entries were slides of fraud issues. He realized that the winner had tried to real experiment. Those are win the prizes, they have done the real experiment, but he decided to realize, so he decided to realize, but he kept only slideshow. He kept only slideshow. The subject was the insect work that he had already been doing. Writes to Dr. Urgat. What is that? Dr. Urgat. Yes, he wrote to Urgat for idea, back came any suggestion for experiment. These kept Albright busy all through high school. This also had him to prize project in country and international science fair. What is that? He is doing some work. What is that? Yes, he has written. He is asking some doubt to the doctor. Doctorate. Doctor means not MBBS, doctorate. Maybe he became a MBBS also. So he has given some idea and followed that. He became busy man in the higher education, high school education, 7th, 8th, 9th. Yes. Then his research win. Yes. For his 8th grade, when he was studying 8th standard, Albright tried to find cause of viral disease. What is that? Cause of viral disease பற்றி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறார். So it killed all monarch caterpillars. What is that? It killed all monarch caterpillars. Caterpillars were died by this virus. He thought the disease might be carried by beetles. Beetles means you know about that. What is that? Vandigal. He tried rice caterpillar in the presence of beetles, but he didn't get any real result. But he showed his experiment and won. But he is not having real result. But even though he showed that and he won the prize. Experiment. His theory on butterfly. Next year his science fair project was testing the theory. So they have been testing the theory. So the theory was that viceroy butterflies copy monarch, or that some viceroy butterflies are copying monarch butterfly, like they look like that. அது இதை போலவே அது இருக்கிறது. So the theory was that viceroys look like monarch. Viceroy butterflies are look like monarch. Viceroy tasty, good to bad. Which one is viceroy butterflies are good taste for the birds. Because of that, birds are eating viceroy butterflies more, not monarch butterfly. They are not eating monarch butterfly. Why? Because monarch butterflies are tasteless. So the more they look like monarch, the less likely they are to be become a bird's food. So monarch butterflies are less. So birds are eating more viceroy butterfly, less monarch butterfly, less monarch butterfly. So the less likely to become a bird's food. His project was to see if birds would eat monarch. So his project about the birds are eating monarch or not. This is the project. Finally his project wins. Finally the project wins. He found that starling would not, or the starling would not eat ordinary bird food. Ordinary bird food. It would eat all the monarch. It would get this project. Yes, it would get. This project was placed first in the zoology division. So he is taking the project about the monarch butterfly. He kept the project in the zoology division. So he also got first prize. He also got it came third overall in the country science fair. So this is the third overall into the country in the science fair. So then next, the new theory. In his second year in high school, in the second year high school, Albright began to research. It led to his discovery of unknown insect hormone. Indirectly, it led to his new theory on his life of cells. So he found one new theory. It is about the life of cells. Yes, each and every living things is having cells in their body. So he is research about the life of cells, about gold spots on butterfly. Yes, we know about many kind of butterfly. On the butterfly, there are more than 8 dots, golden dots, and some other dots are there. The question, about gold spots on butterflies. The question he tried to answer was simple. This is very simplest one. Yes, why the butterflies are having dots? What is the purpose of 12 tiny gold? How many tiny? 12 small. Tiny means small. 12 tiny gold spots on the monarch pupa. Pupa means on the beginning of the butterfly. Okay, everyone assumed the spots were just ornamental. The spots were just ornamental, but Dr. Urgot didn't believe it. Albright is telling that is ornamental, but the doctor is not believing. So next he is telling about hormone. The dots are related to hormone. What is that? The dots are related to hormone. To find the answer, answer, Albright and another student built a device. Showed that spots were producing a hormone. Yes, DNA. We know we have seen the lot of Hollywood movies. In that they have shown the DNA shape. It showed that the spots were producing hormone. It was necessary for the butterfly's full development. This project won Albright first place in the country fair. It won the first place. It also won an entry into the International Science and Engineering Fair. Okay, so this invention, helps to him become an international figure. It also won entry into the international. Okay, there he won third place for zoology, where in international level he won third prize. Because of that, he also got chance to work Walter Reed Army Institution research. Yes, you want to write this point one by one. Otherwise you can't get 8 out of 8 in the long answer. Okay, be careful. Continuous advanced experiment. Continuous advanced, he is not stopped after that. Continuously he is doing the experiment. As a high school junior, he continued his advanced experiments on the monarch pupa. That year, his project won first place at the International Science Fair. Yes, he is not getting the first time, but second time he got international science first place in the International Science Fair. So importance of cell. What he is telling in his senior, or then in his senior year, he grew cells from a monarch wings in a culture. He was taken one monarch wings, அதோட இறகு monarch wings. He showed that the cell would divide and develop into normal butterfly wing scales. This would be only if they were fed the hormone from the gold spot. That project won first place for zoology at the international fair. He also worked at army lab and at the US department agriculture lab. Okay, in America he was working because of this incident. Okay, he won it. After that he get opportunity in working army lab in USA. Army lab in USA. Identify the hormone. So now he is planned to identify the hormone. The following summer Albright went back to the Department of Agriculture lab. There he worked on the hormone theory. Finally he was able to identify the hormone's chemical structure. He finally find the structure of hormones, chemical structure of hormone. So about DNA, next he is researching about the DNA. A year and a half Albright got the idea for his new theory about cell life. Yes, he got new theory about a cell life பற்றி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறாரு. He did show at that he identified the hormone. Okay, the following summer Albright went back to the Department of Agriculture lab. There he worked on the hormone theory. Finally he was able to identify the hormone's chemical structure. Then about DNA. A year and a half Albright got the idea for his new theory about cell life. Yes, he is finding out a new theory about the life of the cell. He did so while seeing the X-rays photos of this chemical structure. The photos gave him answer to one of biologist's puzzle, one of the answer for a question. Okay, it is giving. It was how the cell can read the blueprint of its DNA. Okay, how the cell is working, everything he made the DNA. DNA is the substance in the nuclear. DNA is the substance in the nuclear of cell that control heredity. It is the blueprint of life, blueprint for life. Yes, paper about the experiment. Albright and his college roommate James R. Wonk, who is the college mate, or James R. Wonk, drew picture and constructed plastic model. Yes, I told you, in the Hollywood film they have shown the DNA model. Yes, that is yes, in our lab also there. Model. They made the both Albright and his friend roommate made the plastic model of DNA. They made them to show how it could happen together. They later wrote the paper explaining the theory. First they have find that and do the experiment, then they are writing in the paper, because theory is very important. Okay, so testing the theory. Surprisingly, Richard Albright graduated from Harvard with the highest honor. He became a graduated, then he also became a graduate student researcher at Harvard Medical School. Yes, these are extract. You must read your book line by line. That is very important. If you are in classroom, I won't use this method. Only I can use read the line by line. I want to explain line by line. After you came to school, briefly I will explain. Advantage of theory. Next one is advantages of theory. If the theory proves correct, it will be a big step towards understanding life processes. It might also lead to new ideas. So he has completed the theory. Yes, if it is okayed by the medical school and researchers, it became a life processes. It might also lead to new idea. It will give the new idea. These would be new for preventing type of cancer and other diseases. If it is okay, they can find the medicine for cancer and other diseases. They can cure easily. Albright's other interest. What is the interest? As he is not only he is a scientist, he also having more interest to photography and some other thing. Albright has other interest also. He became champion of debater. நல்ல பட்டிமன்றத்தில் விவாதம் பண்ணுறவர் டிபேட்டர் அண்ட் பப்ளிக் ஸ்பீக்கர். எஸ் ஹி ஆல்சோ பிகேம் ஏ குட் canoeist. Do you know what is the படகு போட்டி வைப்பாங்கள்ல? எஸ் canoeist and all round outdoor person. He is also an expert photographer. I told you, photographer of nature and scientific exhibition. Okay, next, Albright and his teacher. What is the relationship between Albright and his teacher? Albright also found someone to admire. Yes, Albright also found someone to yes, who is his favorite? The teacher. The teacher name was the male teacher Richard A. Weiherer. What is that? Richard A. Weiherer. He is a social science teacher. What is that? Social science teacher. Albright said about him that he opened his mind to new idea. What is that? Yes, the teacher only helped him to open the mind of him. Richard A. Weiherer, as the teacher, also spoke highly of Albright about his interest, as how he was working. Yes, everything he is telling about the student Albright. He won because he wanted to do best job. He is not lazy. At the same time, he is always working. Okay, then things which make a scientist. Who were make him scientist? At first we want to say his mother. He is the first beginner. In the beginning stage, she only helped him more. These things are necessity in the making of a scientist. Start with the fair rate mind. Start with a first rate mind. This is what are the things? Add curiosity and the mix. What are that? These things are necessity in the making of a scientist. Start with a first rate mind. Add curiosity and mix in the will to win for right reason. Albright had this quality. Yes, Albright is having more qualities. Really, he is having more qualities. Because of that, he has captured everything and become a good scientist. Okay, you must read this lesson in your book line by line, because extract question come from your book only. Okay, so give more important for your book. If you want to take marks from extract, definitely you want to read your book thoroughly. Okay, thank you.